It's no secret that artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries across the globe, from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment. AI is becoming an indispensable part of our life. But today we are gonna focus on one particular AI creation that probably gonna hurt the creative industries like graphic designing and video editing. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an innovative AI tool developed by Adobe, designed to assist creator and artist in the creative journey. It utilizes the power of machine learning and AI algorithms to analyze data, understand patterns, and generate stunning visuals and designs. One of the most remarkable features of Adobe Firefly is its ability to understand human feedback and preferences. By learning from user interaction and responses, it continuously improves its outputs, ensuring that it meets the unique requirements of each individual artist. But wait, you're probably wondering, is AI like Adobe Firefly going to replace human creativity? The short answer is no. While Adobe Firefly can generate incredible designs, it's important to remember that it's merely a tool. The true magic lies in the collaboration between creator and AI. By embracing AI-driven tools like Adobe Firefly, artists can enhance their creativity and productivity. This tool can act as a catalyst, empowering artists to explore new possibilities, experiment with different styles, and save time on repetitive tasks. Together, humans and AI can create wonders that wouldn't have been possible through separate efforts. The impact of AI in creative industry extends beyond individual artists. It paves the way for new career opportunities as companies adopt and evolve to incorporate AI into their workflow. With tools like Adobe Firefly, organizations can streamline their design process, generate innovative content, and deliver captivating experience to their audience. But let's not forget about the ethical consideration. With great powers comes great responsibilities. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial to establish ethical frameworks to ensure that AI creations respect privacy, diversity, and fairness. And it's heartening to know that companies like Adobe are committed to maintaining ethical standards throughout their AI development. So whether you are an aspiring artist or someone curious about the incredible advancement in AI technology, embrace the power of human AI collaboration. Adobe Firefly is just one shining example of how AI can enhance creative expression while fostering innovation and efficiency. As we reach the end of the video, remember to keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows what incredible artistic endeavors await us in the future? Until next, stay curious.